If you're looking for a San Juan fiberglass swimming pool that is perfect for beginner to intermediate swimmers, you found it. The Waikiki is a beautiful, modern design that is quite unique and uncommon in our industry. We've maximized the swim space by placing our entry steps into the corner of the shallow end. This gives the user a great space for raft floating, lap swimming, water aerobics, games, and much more. We're sure that once you purchase the Waikiki, you'll find some creative ways to make this pool your own. Lastly, the petite size of the Waikiki is perfect for small to medium-sized backyards. It's hard not to find a space to fit this fiberglass swimming pool. The symmetrical shape also leaves ample opportunity for creative landscape options, very modern indeed. San Juan Fiberglass Pools is the oldest manufacturer of fiberglass pool and spa swimming pools in the United States.